Is she more of a cat lover or a dog lover? That was my question when I started to make this card. And talking to my daughter, she said, Mom, you know your niece loves cats and dogs, so you have to make a card with both. So here it is, a graduation card with both a cat and a dog for anyone who is a cat lover and a dog lover. As I often do, I started by just sketching the general shapes so that I know where to put my doodles so that they'll be about the right proportion and size when I actually get started with this little Sharpie. And I wanted to make sure that my cat and dog were both on the sides, and I wanted them to be kind of at the bottom of the card, and I wanted to use a standard sized card. So I gave them big dewy eyes, and I tried to make the cat's eye a little taller than the dog's eye, just as kind of a nod to the way their pupils are shaped. The cat and the dog are both facing in so they can hold up a card, and it could be a sign that says congratulations. In this one, that was my first thought, and then it didn't fit very well, so I thought I'd put a heart in the middle, and then I've got them thinking about the word congratulations. So you can see that I went back and forth between my pencil and my pen a little bit because, like you can see at the top, my congratulations on my first thought would have been a little bit off center. I think it is okay if things are a little off center, so it's just your level of comfort whether you want to be able to make adjustments as you go or whether you want to just go for it first time and make one try. For me, it really depends. Sometimes I do pencil first and sometimes I just start with the marker. I wanted to use a lot of white space with this, so I left the background white, and then I also left the heart white and colored in the envelope or the sign background instead of the actual heart in the middle. So as I'm making this really fun and simple little graduation card or other card for congratulations or just to send some love to someone you know, I'm interested in knowing, are you a cat lover or a dog lover, and would you rather draw cats or dogs? For me, I think I'm a dog lover most of all, but I do love cats too. So I'd love to hear it in the comments if you enjoy seeing simple drawings that are fun to do yourself for occasions and for people you love or just for the sheer enjoyment of doodling, then please like and subscribe. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great week.